Hey everybody, this is Wendy. Welcome. I have not done a traditional video like this for you in a while, and I am sorry for that. Summertime is proving to be crazy. So I'm using the Treat Time bundle with the Petite Treats framelit set, and here is how. I'm actually not even going to run these through the Big Shot for you because it's pretty self-explanatory. Basically, you just need to get a piece of designer series paper. I will tell you this is easier to use with regular designer series paper versus thick cardstock. It will work with thick cardstock. It's just it's not quite as easy to fold and everything. So you can put any topper that you want. So you can end up with like a little scallop top, a little heart-shaped top, or a straight top. And then there's these little pieces that crease the paper or score the paper when it goes through so that you know where to pinch your sour cream container. So you saw in the very beginning, this makes a little sour cream container, and it's really, really cute. And you can make a lot of them, and you really only need about a 5.5 inch by 6 inch piece of cardstock or designer paper to do it. So I've already pre-cut a whole bunch of these Treat Time framelits so that I could just put some together. And I love this tropical designer series paper. The tropical designer series paper is probably one of my favorites in the catalog, next to the Animal Expedition, which you can pair them together very well. So this is called Tropical Escape, and then you can see here where I've just kind of pre-pinched those little areas that were scored. And now I'm going to take my tear and tape adhesive. I'm going to go all along one side here, tear it off, go right under the little scallop piece there because it's going to smush together there. And then right in between the two score lines on the bottom, I'm going to put a piece of tear and tape adhesive. So that's kind of the pattern you need for the adhesive. Now, for me personally, I did not have a bunch of candy hanging out around the house, and I knew that if I wanted to put this together with candy in it, I was not going to be able to seal it. So I do have a trick for you for that. So once you fold this over and put this together, and I'm trying here to figure out where my adhesive is exactly falling at, and I'm going to fold it over, put it together, and then I'm going to glue the bottom, but not the top. And that's the beauty of using tear and tape adhesive. It's got that backing on it, so even though there is adhesive there, it's not, I'm not having to use it yet. So I really love that about the tear and tape adhesive. If you don't have any, or if you haven't ever gotten any, you should totally try some. So I'm sealing this up, and then the top can stay open for when I'm ready to put candy in, and then I can just peel away that little piece there and close it. So I'm just going to leave it open for now and go back and show you my finished product with the little heart topper. If you want any of these products, you can purchase them in my online store. The link to all of the items I've used here today are listed below this video. All I did is I stamped and Call Me Clover ink on these pieces, and that framelit cuts out this cute little scallop square, and you can just add it to the top of your treat and you're done. I hope you enjoyed this video. I promise to try to get more videos up. Things are just crazy with summer and home renovations and all that. So I hope you're having a wonderful summer. Leave me a comment. Talk to you again soon. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.